Well, hello there, Facebook friends. Happy Sunday from the Blue Parrot. Sunday, I bless you every Sunday. Hope everybody went to church today. Me, I sit home, I drink wine and eat bread. Bread and wine. Isn't that what the host is made of, supposedly? That's what I do on Sundays. Bread and wine. All right, so Sunday Blue Parrot. You missed a good one last night if you weren't here. For the record, Dr. Beverly Boyarski, the lead singer in the band. Guys, there was plenty of girls here last night. I was cried out for help. I said, put it up on Facebook. There had to be like 26 women and 6 guys maybe here last night. I cried out for help, said, come on down, help me. Yeah. Anyway, it's all right to me. 4 girls to each guy. That was okay with me. Anyway, that was last night. Friday night, you missed Randy Jackson. It was a pretty good weekend. So today, Sunday, Blue Parrot. We do the beer buckets, 4 beers, 4 shots, $20. Next week, I'll let you know next week. More details about the weekend. But Thursday karaoke, Friday, Saturday we got live music. Actually, Wednesday we got special guest bartending. Joe and Ryan. Ryan Basil. Joe, I don't know your last name. Sorry about that. AKA Hall and Oates. They'll be here Wednesday night. We're going to be doing the beer bucket specials. They're expecting a good crowd, so it should be a fun time Wednesday night too. And like I said, Thursday we do the beer buckets too with the karaoke. Friday, Saturday live music. Blah 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 blah. And the winter hours, if you guys didn't notice it yet, now we're closed Mondays and Tuesdays for the winter. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday we open at 6. Sundays today I usually open at 1, but now we're going to start opening at 3 again for the winter. Because there's no football on, so there's nothing happening too early. So once again, Monday, Tuesday closed. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday we open at 6 p.m. Sunday we open at 3 p.m. Okay, and we do the beer buckets Wednesday, Thursday, and Sundays. All right, Sunday all day, Wednesday, Thursday night. All right, so that's it for now. Give you a quick joke. Let me see. I forgot what the joke was for the day. What was the joke? Oh, okay. Guy walks into the drugstore, or I guess the girl behind the counter. He wants some condoms. So she says, "What size?" He says, "I don't know." So she holds up one finger. He says, "No, no, bigger than that." So she holds up 3 fingers. I can't even do it. 3 fingers. He says, "No, no, no, smaller than that." So then she holds up 2 fingers, and the guy, "That's it." So she goes, "Okay, medium." That was a dirty joke for a Sunday. All right. Anyway, come on down here. Like I said, we open at 3 o'clock today. Got the beer buckets all day. If not, I'll let you know what's going on the rest of the week. Maybe we'll see you next weekend. Okay? Rock on.